Hi! How are you? I hope you're taking care of yourself. My clips in this video are kind of messy kasing gulo na utak ko ng finals, which is what this vlog is all about. So, ikukwento ko na lang yung context ng each clip. Let's start with the time when we were given a very much needed break. I spent most of the time by catching up with some reading. I took a break from reading related literatures for our Expe-Psych study just to read other types of books. Ewan ko ba? So aside sa pagbabasa at saka pagtulog kasama ng mga dogs ko, I finally got my vitamin D deficient body out of my room thanks to my parents. And nanood kami sa sine. Yan ang favorite family bonding activity namin. Yung short break na yun, it fueled me until the end of finals dahil I got to spend time with my family. If there's anything I've learned up to now, my mid-20s, is to never ever take family time for granted. Noong tapos na yung break, balik na sa org-chem, we were making essential oils. And ito ako nagdidiktik ng cinnamon. Ito lang siguro yung chem activity na na-enjoy ko dahil I really appreciate good scents. Yung isa pa sa mga favorite highlights ko ng second year, second sem is when I got to witness yung performance ng tanghalang SLU ng Ibong Adarna. And the best part is, yung Expe-Psych groupmate ko, siya yung nag-play ng Ibong Adarna. Tapos, sobrang excited ko manood. Kasali ako sa first 20 na nakabili ng ticket, which meant nakakuha ako ng VIP seat. The week after the show, nag-conduct na kami ng last experiment namin for Expe-Psych. Somewhat sad din kasi pag tinatanong ako kung ano yung favorite psych subject ko, there's no doubt Expe-Psych talaga. The next day was an org-chem day ulit. It was just full of reportings and maraming mini quizzes right after. Kaya medyo nakaka-drain yung morning na to. So, ang coping mechanism ko na lang ay makipagdaldalan. Usually, after classes, natutulog talaga ako kasi lagi akong puyat the night before or kaya antukin lang talaga ako. Then, here's me de-stressing more after my nap. And by de-stressing, I mean cleaning. Sino pa ang ganito? Hi guys! Kakatapos ko lang kumain ng brunch. Ginagawa ko ngayon is self-care. Because we need that. Kahit finals and sobrang stressed, kailangan natin ng self-care. Okay, we should make time for that. Para may energy sa araw-araw. Tsaka syempre, health comes first. Yourself comes first. So, ang ginagawa ko ngayon is naka-posture corrector. Kasi, ang pangit ng posture ko. Tinatry kong i-correct yun kasi part din yun ng pagiging healthy. Yung maganda yung posture mo. Kasi, para align lahat ng organs. Tama ba? Basta yun. Habang nakaganito ako ngayon, magwa-walking ako. Walk in place. Hindi natamad pa kasi akong lumabas. Tapos, usually, lumalabas ako para mag-walk or jog every afternoon. Kaso, lagi nang umuulan dito sa Baguio kapag hapon. Kaya dito na lang ako sa bahay. Kasi hindi yun excuse para matigil yung mga exercise natin. Okay? Promise ko yan sa sarili ko na mag-workout na ako lagi. Hindi lang para magpapayat, pero part na rin siya ng healthy lifestyle. Mamaya ulit. Nakita ko si mama na nagvi-video, okay? So, sinamahan ko na siya. I'll include a number of clips of us just singing for memory-keeping purposes. So, I highly encourage you to exit this video now. If you've reached this point of the video, thank you for listening to me yap about my life, and take good care of yourself, friends. Bye!
Hoy, ang ingay nyo, matulog nga kayo! Matulog kayo.